This video is a brief overview of the recording page within Grain. From the meetings page, if you select on a recording that has already taken place, there's a lot of information that you can capitalize on. The first thing that populates here is the summary tab, which gives you action items from the meeting as well as a summary of what was discussed in the meeting. Down below, you can also choose to add an additional template of notes to the meeting from any of your own custom templates. Additionally, you can access any private notes that you might have taken during the meeting, and you can see a full transcript of the meeting. The transcript here works with the video playback on the right-hand side and the timeline below. All three allow you to scrub to different places within the video. If you select a specific moment, the video playback will match that moment. If you choose a specific moment from the timeline, again, the video playback will pick up right there. You can also choose to listen by one speaker type. So if you only want to hear one person, just click this play button by their name, and it will only play the specific moments in which they speak. And you'll have controls up here to go to the next block or to return to watching the entire video with all speakers. Over here on the right-hand side, you also have access to clips, any clips that you might have taken within this meeting, and those are controlled again here on this transcript side. If you find a specific moment you want to clip, you just highlight it, select clip, and title it, or use the auto-generated title. Click create, and it will show up here in the clips section. This is a great way to share little moments from the meeting. Additionally, you can access coaching here where you can see an AI-generated scorecard, or you can add a personalized scorecard yourself. There are a few other things you can do from a recording page that I want to call out. One is that you can send the summary to your CRM or send a follow-up email. Additionally, you can use the transcript within AI. You can use these buttons to open it directly in Claude or ChatGPT, or you can copy the transcript or download it to paste it into your own other AI LLM model of your choice. And this comes with a bunch of metadata, so it's more than just the text of the transcript. It comes with additional metadata. You can also choose to share the meeting here by typing in emails or providing the link. And finally, you can see some additional data about the date, the participants and their emails, and what teams have access to this meeting. Again, there is a lot you can do with a recording, and there's a lot to dive into here, but this is just a brief overview of the many different things you can do on a Grain recording.